All right, this is a simple and fast review of the Taken brand rechargeable 9-volt batteries. They come in a 2-pack, so let me get this open real quick and show you what they're all about. So, in the box, you'll have your 2-pack charger. And so what you'll see is they are USB-C chargers, which is great. Plugs right into a USB port, regular. So you will need a little charging brick of some sort or if you're not going to plug it into your computer, laptop, or whatever. So basically just interchangeable with most phones nowadays. And you'll just see that once we get these open here. That there's a little spot at the bottom of the battery for charging. So I'm going to go ahead and get these plugged in and show you what it looks like. So just to show you before I plug them into to my computer here, just literally pop that into the bottom. You'll hear a little click and you're in. Pop the other in and you'll hear 2 clicks. And again, they're simple 9-volt rechargeables. 1100 mAh, and again, as you can see, just simple 9 volts. So let's show you what it looks like when they're charging. All right, so I've got them plugged in, just a standard USB charging port, and what you'll see is they light up red. So you'll see them red while charging and green once complete. So hopefully this review helps, and thanks for watching.